Let me show you how to replace the safety sensors on your Guardian garage door operator. First, you'll want to remove the old sensor and disconnect it from the wires. Then take your new sensor and either mount it to the wall, or you can attach it on the track here with some track bolts. We also like to put this little pigtail on just to give yourself a little extra wire in case a wire breaks and you need to redo it or something like that. Then we'll prep the wires to attach them together. So we're going to strip those like this. Strip the wires on the sensor. Usually on these wires, this has a blue little stripe on it and this one's white. So you just want to remember, in this case, the wire that we're using has blue and white, but this wire actually comes with brown and green and orange. So it's just important to remember which colors you wire to each wire. So usually what we'll do is we'll go white to white and blue to blue. That way when we wire it up at the motor head, we know which wires we used. So we're going to twist those wires together and we're going to do the two white wires together. And then just for extra support, I like to take these wires, fold them down on top of themselves, and wrap them on opposite ends so they don't touch each other. And just so if anything pulls on it, it's going to take a lot of effort to pull these two wires apart. Now once I do this, I'm going to take some black electrical tape and I'm going to wrap it around this so it's nice and covered. But before I do that, I want to make sure that my sensor light's on, because if it's not, then I haven't wired it properly. So it is on. So down at the other end, you can see that the other light is on as well. Now all that's left is to wrap it with some electrical tape. Make sure it's nice and tight. Sometimes you can push this wire back in. Sometimes you can't. It just cleans it up so there isn't a bunch of excess wire hanging out there. Again, be sure that the colors that you use down there are the same colors that you put up here into the motor. Otherwise, it's not going to work properly. And that's it. If you need a new safety sensor or a pair of safety sensors, contact our office and we can help you with that. If you have any other problems with your garage door or garage door opener, please contact us today. We can help.